Baby, know that I come first, first, first. Baby, know that I come first, I come first, I come first. Baby, know that I come first, first, first.
Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be showing you guys up on this beautiful hair that I turned into a wig. This is very much so curly summer short bob flow that we got going on here. I love this hair, you guys, and if you would like to know, all the specs and deets about this hair and how I turned it into a wig and all that good stuff, then just continue on watching. Also be sure to hit the bell right next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos like these. Alright you guys, jumping straight into it. This is another summer baddie hair, and this hair is a Malaysian curly hair, and it's by an amazing company called Beauty Forever. So I got the links. I think it's all 12 inches. I got 4 bundles of 12 inches, and then my regular closure, which is a 4x4 closure free part. And here I'm just showing you I have different parts where I can part it. So yeah, I love how this lace just blends into my skin and all that good stuff. The length on my closure is a 10 inches, and yeah, you guys, I love this freaking hair. Can you not guess or see how I love this hair? This hair is super gorgeous, is super vacation ready, summer ready, and quite frankly, if you are one that loves curly hair, you are gonna love this. Even if you don't like the length, you would love this in a longer length. It is definitely worth the buy. Now, as for Beauty Forever shipping took 3 days, you guys, and that really topped a lot of these bundle company sellers out there. Like, that's the fastest I ever got bundles, and as well as their customer service is super bomb. They offer a lot of things on their site, so you guys want to make sure you hit up that and check that out. If you are new with me, hi, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button. This is the everyday type of curly routine that I do with my curly wigs. I explained this whole process plenty of times on my channel, and I have like multiple tutorials showing how to do it. So I'll go ahead and link that somewhere along the screen so you guys can watch that later. Beauty Forever is actually having a summer sale, you guys, so there is so much coupons there and so much things that you can get off of your purchase right now. But one of the coupons is a summer sale, and it is a 6% off, and there is plenty more, you guys. We want to check out the description bar and all that good stuff. Yes, sis, can we have a moment for these curls? Because it's like very vacation ready, sis. Very Tahiti. Take me out to Tahiti. Take me out to Bahama hair. You know what I'm saying? I am living for this hair. Anyways, speaking of discount, you guys, let's go into price. Starting price for this bomb texture is $55, and of course, the longer the length, the more money you will pay as you go. But yeah, super affordable start, you guys. I'm in love. Alright you guys, so this is basically how that I transformed this hair into a wig and styled it. If you guys love this hair, I super duper love it. Like, there's nothing not to love about this hair, and I honestly love how I turned it into a wig. I like the short length that I picked too. So remember you guys, all the details will be listed down below that I included in this video, and the ones that I missed will be listed in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and click over and check out. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank Beauty Forever for this hair. This hair is super duper gorgeous. I love it, y'all. It's really drop dead gorgeous, and even now it's drying so fluffy, and y'all, like, this hair speaks for itself. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say. Like, there's nothing else to say. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, till next time.